everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today's video is again a brain boosting activity based on numbers and dominoes. This activity really helps the child to improve his numbers logic. So let's start the video, but before starting, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates on our upcoming videos. So as you could see, for this activity I have prepared this sheet. In this sheet I have made some rectangular boxes and segregated them with a middle line, and at this point I have mentioned a different number, different dominoes. As you could see, number 4 and here number 2. So in every box you could see there are different numbers. So now let's see how child has to do this activity. So to start this activity, again, first you have to prepare these numbers with the help of a thick sheet or a cardboard. And as you could see, I have secured them with the transparent tape so that child can use it multiple times. See how child is supposed to do this activity. So for this, first child have to count these dominoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then he have to count it again 1 and 2 in the another box. So here as you could see, number 4 and number 2. So he have to find the card with mentioned with number 4 and 2 like this, and he will place it here. Same goes with the another one. He will see 1, 2, 3, 4 in one box and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the another box. So he will find 4 and 4 number card. So as you could see, it's here. So we'll place it here like this. So like this he will complete this worksheet. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 1 and 2. So this box will contain number 4 and 2. So he will find and see where is the card of number 4 and 2, and he will place it here like this. So like this child is supposed to complete this worksheet. This worksheet really helps the child in eye and hand coordination as well. When I has given this worksheet to Ame, she did it very well. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.